Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me 2 JPEGs, and for everybody in the future, and this is perfect because you're going to show me, but on like this, go ahead and send me the Corel file. So I'll have your fonts and everything. Their question is they need to space it out. So I've drawn it out. I didn't use the same text. I never use paragraph text because I find it a little confusing. You know, you can change things and you can't really see anything change, and I don't like it. As a later engravers, I don't use paragraph text. I'm going to go to text and convert to an artistic text. And look at that. Now with your shape tool, you can adjust the space between the two lines. So let's say we have these things center justified. With the shape tool, you can make them as far or close as you want to each other. That's how you get line spacement and whatever. Let's change that font to another font, maybe a little cursive. Let's use this airbrush. Same thing, it's still a font. So if you grab your shape tool, you have this. This one will do this. And this one, this only works on 2 lines. So I don't care if you have, I'm going to go up here and add another line. Let's add another line and be helpful if I could type. And let's say we're going to add that. Well, with the shape tool, we can separate between those 2 lines, between those 3 lines now. Now this will separate this. So just a little bit of insight, if we were going to have, if you had it on one line, the reason you can use that to your advantage, and if you only have one, I'll tell you what, let's just make one line. So I'm just going to get my text editor and just delete that and say okay. Now I've just got one line. So with the shape tool, see, this doesn't work because I only have one line, but here we can separate the words. But if you do, or separate the letters, if you will hold down the shift key, you can separate the words with the shift key. And, you know, also on this font, let's see if we can't do it. Let's zoom in here. And if you wanted to add something to it, you could grab all those 4 nodes and go right here to put the 21st at the top. Of course, you'd want to probably, well, take it back. Let's just select these 2 and go right here to that. Now the spacing isn't perfect, but we could take our shape tool and we've still got those 2 selected, and you could move over. I don't know why that's doing that. Well, or you can grab the text tool and select just those 2 fonts and just move them over, you know, hit this, well, my space bar didn't work. Let's go back. I should have been able to grab just those 2 nodes with the shape tool. And then there we go. I don't know why that's doing that. Tell you what, let me hold down the shift key and hold down the shift key. Huh. Okay, well, let's do this. Nope. So in a real quick scenario, go to object and break the birthday apart. And this is still one font. Go up to object or control K basically, but this is still one. So let's go to object and control K. And then you can grab those two letters. That's what it was. I'm glad I did that because these aren't really the nodes. The nodes are up here. So we could just grab that with the pick tool, grab both of them with the pick tool, and we can move more if we want to with it. Now, somehow the 24, oh, there it is. It was kind of like a go. So earlier I was trying to move this. So let's back up here before I had that. And let's grab these two nodes and go up to right here and see what I was doing. I was looking at these, so maybe you can select, well, they're kind of like hidden. I've never really done that. So maybe the best way is just to Control K it to do that, or just leave it like it was and not have the stuff. But anyway, I don't know about paragraph text. I've used it very little. I only use paragraph text when I'm trying to have it warped around an item, but very easily with the shape tool. And the cool about the shape tool, let's select the two ends, just to let you know. We've got the two ends selected. Let's make them blue. Let's make the 21st all red. And these are grabbing these nodes. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Not 100% sure, but thank you for watching.